talento, kagandahan, at pagiging masayahing host sa Itbulaga. Ibinahagi niya sa netizens ang isang kakaibang detalye tungkol sa kanyang buhay na 17 taong gulang pa lamang siya nang una siyang gumamit ng cellphone. Kasama si Atasha sa mga bisita sa nakaraang Women's Summit na ginanap noong Sabado, ika-9 ng Marso, bilang host at tagapanayam sa naturang event. Tinanong ni Iza Calzado ang Itbulaga host kung paano niya ginagamit ang social media bilang isang baguhang artista. Actually, I'm still learning the ropes of social media because I was only given a phone until the age of 17, yes, sagot ni Atasha. So, it was always a landline of the house growing up.
It was very old school living. We weren't really given access to social media, that's why I'm still learning the process of it. But in regards to this generation now, seeing what they're capable of,